do you think? Do you like that? Do you like that? We missed your mouth a little bit. What do you think?
Maybe scrape it off his chin a little bit.
Ready? Open up. Big mouth.
Is that going in?
There's some going in. Yummy. Do you like that? What do you think? Do you like it? Ready? Oh, did you
Mama,
hear
oh
that?
my God.
Did you hear the duck? I think he likes it. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I think the breast milk is helping him. Plus, it's it's much more than than it was before. This will be like what baby food would be. So yeah, it's good.
Do you like it? That's so yummy. That's so yummy. Want some more? Big bite. Big bite.
He wants the spoon. I want to do
I
it.
know. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay, all gone.
That must be a particularly avocado-y piece.
All
That's a
gone.
little bit right there.
That's it. That's all there is. That's it, see? That's it. Yummy. I ate it all.
You did. Good job, buddy.
Did you